Now let us solve the extra question of the chapter arithmetic progression. The first term of an AP is 3. Also, the sum of the first 8 terms is twice the sum of the first 5 terms. Find the 15th term of that AP. Here, first term is given, that is A equals 3. Sum of the first 8 terms is given. S8 equals sum of the first 8 terms is twice the sum of first 5 terms. S8 equals 2S5. What we have to find out? We have to find the 15th term. Means A15 equals question mark. Means D is required here. Now you consider this relation. S8 equals 2S5. You know the formula for Sn. Sn is equals to what? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Then here given S8 equals 2S5. S8 is n by 2 into S8 is 8 by 2 into 2a plus 8 minus 1 into d equals 2 into S5 is 2 into 5 by 2 into 2a plus 5 minus 1 into d. 2 ones are 2 fours are. Here 2 cancels. 4 into 2a. A is 3. Then you write 2 into 3 plus 7d equals 5 into. This 5 into 2 into 3 plus 4d. 4 into 6 plus 7d equals 5 into 6 plus 4d. Multiply it. 4 into 6, 24, plus 4 into 7, 28, 5 into 6, 30, plus 5 into 4, 20, 20d. Bring d together means 28 minus 20d, 28d minus 20d equals 30 minus 24. 30 minus 24. 28d minus 20d is 8d. 30 minus 24 is 6. You got 2 3s are 2 4s are. You got d equals 3 by 4. D equals 3 by 4. Then A15. 15th term equals A15. A15 equals A plus 14d equals A is 3. 3 plus 14 into 3 by 4 equals 3 plus 2 2s are 2 7s are 7 into 3 21 by 2 equals 2 3 2s are 6 6 plus 21. A15 equals 21 plus 6 is 27 by 2.